Thank you for taking the time to view our Lakeview LV iPad demonstration. What we have set up is a standard iPad with 3G or Wi-Fi connectivity to the internet, and on the front screen we have our LV application icon. As I enter into the app, I'm presented with a search screen which allows me to find and retrieve a certain set of information from the Lakeview database. So I've typed in the word lake and been presented with customers and suppliers that match it, orders and invoices, and stock records. Now in this instance I want to view the first customer record on the system. On the right hand side I can see all the details, so the phone numbers, fax numbers, addresses and contact names. I'm allowed to edit the information from here, so if I spot something that's incorrect I can correct it, save it back to the system, and people back at the office would see the corrected, updated information immediately. I'm also allowed to drill down to related documents, so a list of all of the historical orders against this customer are visible. I can drill down to the summary details, so I can see the values and order references, or I can view the items, so the product codes, quantities and prices. From here I can print the document, so we get a view of how we produce a document back at the office, and we could print this out either directly to an email or we could send it to a printer if we're connected. We can zoom in on any of the information, so if we want to have a look at it a bit more closely, the system supports that. Just coming back to the order items, from here I'm allowed to view some item details. So if somebody had a query about stock availability, I can drill through to the product and I can view the quantity we have in stock, prices, costs and so on. Just coming back to the order list for this client, the previous order, if I select that, may have some related documents. So an order might have a dispatch note or an invoice. So from here we can view the related information, and again if I just print these details we'll see now we're looking at the sales invoice document relevant to that particular client, to that particular invoice. So hopefully you can see that you can stay connected whilst mobile using our iPad application. Thank you for listening.